It's been 24 years in the making. The moment that I smuggled the tea seeds from Vietnam into Australia was when I was 14. And, it's been all these years where my mum and my auntie has been raising these tea plants and then growing them and swapping them and exchanging them with their friends and family. Yeah, some of the exchanges and the economies that have occurred reflect what had happened in Vietnam. After the war in Vietnam, a lot of our land got requisitioned and we were all put on rations. And so the only way to survive was to secretly make tea and coffee and get someone to smuggle that down south into the coast for goods that we didn't have, like salt, fish sauce and fish. And so one of my auntie's friends, Bac Chin, she was that kind of like smuggler. And coming to Australia, she continues to ferment fish sauce and salt fish, and we continue to like make tea and grow tea, and we still do that exchange, like even here in the suburbs of, like Cabramatta and Bankstown. These are some of the seedlings. This one is one that my auntie has raised, and I think, this has been maybe 6 months. Generally, you have to wait about 3 years before you start picking the leaves.